I'm Ron from Kolleno, the best suite app to send your invoices generated by SuiteBilling, and today I will guide you through the process of enabling SuiteBilling features in NetSuite. Before you begin, make sure that you are logged in with an administrator role and you have set the SuiteBilling preferences as per instructions in the previous video. I'm leaving a link in the description to that video. To enable SuiteBilling features in NetSuite, you will go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. You then click on this Transactions subtab, and once you're here, you need to look for the Billing section, and you need to make sure that you have the following box checked: Bill cost to customers, Advanced Billing, Charge-based billing here, Billing accounts, Billing operations, Subscription billing, I'll check it, and Advanced subscription billing. Please note that the Charge-based billing feature is required to see pricing details on the charge. Optionally, you can also check the following boxes: the add-on items that you see here, which is required to create a subscription without a subscription plan or price book. Time-based pricing here. It's used to create multiple time-based pricing intervals. If you enable time-based pricing, you can also use the subscription billing enhanced UI Suite app for better user interface. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more detailed NetSuite tutorials, and then you will have the box invoice groups here, which allows you to group multiple invoices before sending them to customers. Okay, it says that it's hard to disable it later on if I enable it, so I'll still do it, and here. You also have that one, commit plus overage. It charges prepayment for contracted minimum usage at a negotiated rate. And the last one here is uplift pricing. It enables price increases for subscription lines based on a percentage during a subscription term. But be careful, the uplift pricing features requires time-based pricing first to be enabled. So now if I look back at the top on the company subtab here, you would have under the classification section here, you have these options: departments, locations, and classes, which you can optionally check them to help segment your recurring revenue. And once you're happy, you just click on save. I just quickly wanted to also make you aware of two things. If you handle billing accounts across subsidiaries, you can enable the multi-subsidiary customer feature. You would first need to enable the Suite Tax feature. SuiteBilling doesn't require Suite Tax, but if you want to use the multi-subsidiary customer feature with SuiteBilling, Suite Tax will then be necessary, and it supports Nexus switching and bill-to-address switching for customers with multiple subsidiaries. The second thing is that once the Suite Tax is enabled, the billing account won't automatically populate on the subscription record. And that's how you enable SuiteBilling features in NetSuite. I know it's a bit lengthy, you might not be fully comfortable, but it's a one-time thing, so don't worry about it. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and visit kolleno.com to collect all those nice invoices you create.